everyone. This is a new video about the Jelly Bean 3D, which is this small 3D printed car. Well, actually we're gonna do it on full size. This is just the scale model. Okay, and this video is gonna be about some components that I want to install in the vehicle, and I just want to show you them. And at the same time, I want to let you know that you can participate in this project. Just read the description, and there is different ways that how you can participate into it. Okay, so yes, let's begin. I want to show you some of the components, like I said. Okay, so let's start with the wheels. We're gonna use bicycle wheels. Okay, 20-inch size wheels. Okay, this is one of the front wheels that I'm gonna use, including the a disc. This is a 180 millimeters disc diameter. Okay, and it's mounted on an aluminum wheel, but it can be as well a spoket wheel. It doesn't really matter. The only thing which is important is it's got hole through axle. Like you can see, yes, the axle is completely hollow. Okay, so in order to be installed in the real knuckles. Okay, and let me show you, for example, the hinges for the doors. The hinges for the door, sorry, for the doors, no, for the door, it's got only one door. They are just standard friction hinges. You can find them usually in many hardware stores or online, and as soon as I publish the bill of materials, I will put all the details where you can find all the parts and where you can buy them and everything. Okay, I hope that I can put different links where you can find them. Another important component, okay, for the structure, I'm gonna use for some, well, there's some parts that have to be made on aluminium. Okay, we're gonna use 22 millimeters tubing of aluminium. If it's not strong enough, it can be changed to steel. So just in case, for example, it's gonna be used for the rear suspension sprocket and for some parts of the steering, obviously the handlebar. Okay, and this is the piece that is gonna join all the tubing. Okay, it's a very standard 90 degrees joint thing. Okay, you can as well, you can easily find them in many places. Okay, so there is no need of welding of the aluminium. We will connect the tubes with these little things. Okay, for the suspension and for the steering throws, we will gonna use aluminium tubing, slightly smaller than that one, and this is standard rod end bearings. Okay, as I said, I will put a link to the reference and everything on the bill of materials. Okay, some little details. Oh, the mirrors. These are very small mirrors. I found them on internet. I found them very nice and very cute for this vehicle, so I bought them, and you know, they are usually mounted on, I think I have seen them on Harley Davidson motorcycles, and well, they will go on the Jelly Bean. Okay, what else? Okay, let's go to the electrical parts. Okay, here we got the charger for the battery. The battery is gonna be 48 volts battery. Okay, and this is just a standard e-bike charger of 48 volts. Well, this is slightly modified by me in order to be more powerful, but any standard e-bike charger will work for this project. Okay, what else? Oh, the battery. Okay, I'm going to make the battery in a, this is a bit experimental as well. It happens that I have around several hundreds of these small little cells. Okay, so I'm gonna make a battery as a Tesla style, okay, made with hundreds of these small little cells. This is not the most appropriate way to make a battery, but it happens that I have, like I said, hundreds of these ones, so I will make a battery probably around 400 of these unit cells, okay, in order to make the full battery. Anyway, you can work with any battery from an e-bike that you can find on internet for 48 volts. The way I'm gonna do it is just I'm going to assemble those small cells into modules of 6 cells. Okay, and these modules will be joined together in a bigger range, in a bigger array in order to get the 48 volts. Okay, at the capacity that I want to. Okay, what else? Oh, the motor. Okay, the motor, it's a standard in-wheel motor of around 1000 watts. Okay, it can give peaks up to 2000 watts, something like that. I think it will be more than enough for this vehicle. But if it doesn't, I think I have some other motors around here which are more powerful. But with this, it must be more than enough to go up to 45-50 kilometers an hour. Okay, obviously the motor has to be installed in this 20-inch ring with spokes. Okay, that will be done later and probably in another video. Oh, headlights. These are standard car headlights. You can find them, they are LED, okay, LED lights. You can buy them on Amazon, AliExpress and all these places. They are usually mounted on Jeep, okay, and they are 7-inch diameter headlights, okay. What else? Oh, this is the controller. This is the controller for the motor. It is quite big. It is actually probably bigger than what this motor needs, but again, I have it in stock, so I will install it. That's it. Okay, it's a 50 amp, 48 volts or even more. Yeah, it can go up to 72 volts and 50 amps, which is crazy, crazy too much power for this vehicle, but okay, it will do its work perfectly without even overheating. About the brakes, okay, here I'm gonna install standard bicycle brakes, okay. I'm gonna use Tektro brand, which is a quite good quality brand. This is more heavy than a bicycle, so we need good quality brakes. The front two wheel will go with these hydraulic brakes, and the rear wheel will have only, for now, regenerative braking, okay? I hope it's more than enough to stop this vehicle in a proper manner, okay? The only thing different from a normal bike is that it's got this connector for the electric brake, okay? So all the rest is just standard bicycle brakes, okay? And what else? Okay, I can show you some parts that I have already printed for the. These actually are parts from the door. About a dozen of them, and there's many more to print to go. Okay, and I want to show you something, if I can find it. Okay, this, no, not this. Here it is. Okay, this is one of the parts that failed on the printer because the electric current just blow up in my house, so the printer stopped and I was not able to start it again. Okay, so well, as you can see, the parts are hollow. Okay, in the inside there is a structure. People who is familiarized with 3D printer, they will know this infill, which is called gyroid. I chosen that one because it's very strong in every direction, and this is the good thing about 3D printing. You can control how is the structure inside of the part, so we are able to make very light parts quite strong versus its weight. Okay, this is what I'm counting on about I'm working on a structure inside of the parts. And I think that with this I'm finished with this video. And as I said, just check in the comments below and in the description about how you can collaborate into this project or how you can participate. And if you like, you are really welcome to do. And just please comment in the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.